Hello dear friends. Look what I will recycling today. There are 6 old automatic switches and 1 modern one. Now I will dismantle them for scrap. I am especially interested in silver contacts. I quietly collect them and I hope today I will be able to replenish my silver collection. Do not forget to like this video and watch the video to the end. It is there that I will show what I managed to get out of these machines, and of course we will weigh all the metals. Well, let's start with the largest device. At first I thought it was a Soviet machine gun, although this is the first time I meet such, but I looked at the inscriptions on it and it says made in Bulgaria, and as you can see it is absolutely new, which means that the contacts must be intact. I can't wait to open it and see what it will please us with, so let's start work. Here we see 12 contacts in perfect condition. Only these are not the usual contacts that we are used to seeing, but more modern ones, which are made of copper and have a layer of silver on them. It will not work to separate the silver from them, but even in this form they are also accepted, only they cost very little. Also from this device it was possible to get a little copper. There is nothing else of value. %80 of the work is completed. Here all the details that were in 6 devices. Now it remains to open this modern automatic switch, and then we will sort this whole bunch. In this switch we immediately see not a lot of copper. There are 3 such copper plates and a tiny contact is soldered on them. If we compare them with contacts from Soviet devices, they are 5 times less. Now let's sort this whole bunch of metal and then we'll deal with the contacts. The work is completely finished. Now it remains to weigh all the metals received. Here are all the contacts that we managed to get. Let's throw them on the scales. My friends, write in the comments, what is your price for technical silver? It will be interesting to know. In my country, silver is bought at 65 cents per gram. For today, all my friends, I hope you like the video. Do not forget to like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye everyone.